Model, 2011 Renault Kangoo LL21 5 DCI Maxi 85. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 180378. Engine, 1461 cc K9 KB8B. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Drives well, but most of the gears have a whining sound. Still drives fine. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111